Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. In today's lesson, we're going to learn greetings and introductions. These are useful expressions that we use when meeting people for the first time. Let's begin with some common greetings. We often use hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. These expressions help us start conversations politely and confidently. After greeting someone, it's time to introduce yourself. You can say, "My name is Sarah." You can also share where you're from and what you do. For example, "I'm from Malaysia," or "I work as a teacher." Now it's your turn. Try introducing yourself by sharing your name, your country, your job, and one hobby. Keep practicing, and you'll become more confident speaking English every day. Thanks for learning with Everyday English Treats. See you in the next video.